Hey you guys, so today we are going to be trying out the UCANBE All Day Fixer Makeup Setting Spray, and this is a matte finish mist. It's for all skin types and it's supposed to be long lasting. So let's jump into it. Okay, so I've done my foundation, my concealer, my powder, all that good stuff. And now we're gonna go in with the UCANBE Cosmetics All Day Fixer Makeup Setting Spray. Okay, so here's what the product looks like. Super sleek, love that. And you're getting a ton of product in here, 200 milliliters worth. Okay, so the mist on that was really good. It wasn't too much and it wasn't too little. A very, very good mist. I have to go to work for 5 hours. I'm not gonna do any touch-ups, and we will jump back on here later after my shift and see how this UCANBE Cosmetics All Day Fixer held up. And here is what the makeup setting spray looked like on the face after 5 hours with no touch-ups. As you can see, there is a little bit of breakage around my nose, and I am oily, but for the most part, the makeup stayed in place. And yeah, I'll definitely be using this some more. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.